Why does your scanner show the P2013 engine code? What does it mean? P2013 is a diagnostic trouble code for IMRC circuit high bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means there's a malfunction within the system that controls the flaps in the intake manifold, which adjust airflow to the engine's cylinders. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMRC actuator. Wiring issues. Stuck or seized runner flaps. Faulty IMRC sensor. PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Chevrolet, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.